Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about what are the modes of vibration for pipe open at one end and close at another end. So this is your open organ pipe which is close at one end and open at another end. So at this open end there is a formation of antinode, and at the close end there is always formation of node. So what is the lowest possible mode of vibration? Such that antinode is at open end and node at your antinode at open end and node at your close end. So this is the lowest possible mode of vibration. This lowest possible mode of vibration is known as the fundamental frequency. Frequency of this mode of vibration is the fundamental frequency. So what is this? This is known as L is the length of this pipe, and this distance is equals to your lambda by 4. How this lambda by 4? That is, suppose if you calculate this is known as your wavelength, that is equals to lambda, and this distance is equals to your lambda by 2. Okay, and half of this distance, that is equals to your lambda by 4. So this distance is equals to the lambda by 4. Okay, so what is the frequency? So what is the frequency for vibration? Frequency is equals to the velocity divided by wavelength. Okay, so here what is lambda? Lambda is the wavelength, and this lambda is equals to the what is the length? Length is equals to the lambda by 4. So from this equation you can say that what is the value of lambda? Lambda is equals to 4 times of the length of the wire. Okay, so what is the frequency then? Frequency is equals to N is equals to V divided by 4L. So this is known as your fundamental frequency of vibration. Fundamental frequency of vibration. Okay, when pipe is open at one end and close at another end. Now in the second case, or what is the next possible mode of vibration? The next possible mode of vibration is such that pipe is close at one end and open at another end. So there is an antinode and there is a one complete loop here. Okay, so that is, here it is antinode, here it is here node, here antinode, node and antinode. So this mode of vibration having frequency N1. What is the formula for frequency? Velocity divided by lambda 1. So V divided by lambda 1. From this equation you can say that this is known as your length of the string. So this value is equals to your lambda by 2 and this value is equals to your lambda by 4. So what is length of the string here? This length of the string is, this value is equals to lambda by 2 and this value is equals to your lambda by 4. So I can say that length of the string is equals to 3 lambda 1 by 4. So from this equation, what is the value of lambda 1? Lambda 1 is equals to 4 L divided by 3. Okay, so this substitute this lambda 1 in this equation, you will get N1 is equals to V divided by 4L divided by 3. So what is N1 here? N1 is equals to 3 times V divided by 4L. But what is V divided by 4L? V divided by 4L is known as your fundamental frequency. So what is the frequency? N1. So that is N1 is equals to the 3 times of fundamental frequency. For this is the first mode of vibration. Okay, so for next possible mode of vibration, what is the next possible mode of vibration? Pipe is open at one end and close at another end. So there is the antinode, and in between antinode there are two loops are there. Okay. So here you will increase the length of the pipe. So this will be look like this. Okay. So here there is a formation of node. Here antinode, here node, here antinode, here node, and again here antinode. Okay. So this distance is known as your length of the pipe. This length of the pipe, so length of the pipe is equals to this distance is your lambda by 2, this is your lambda by 2, and this is also lambda by 4. Okay, so this is lambda by 4. So what is the total length? Total length of the pipe is equals to 5 times of lambda by 4. So this is the lambda 2 by 4. And what is the frequency here? N2 is equals to 3 divided by lambda 2. Or first of all write the frequency. The frequency for this mode of vibration N2 is equals to V divided by lambda 2. And what is the length of the pipe? Length of the pipe is 5 times of lambda 2 divided by 4. So what is the value of lambda 2? 4 into 4L divided by 5. If you substitute this value of lambda 2 in this equation, you will get N2 is equals to V divided by 4L divided by 5. So that is N2 is equals to the 5 times of V divided by 4L. But fundamental frequency N is equals to V divided by 4L. So that is the fundamental frequency. So that's why N2 is equals to 5 times of N. Okay. So for first mode of vibration the frequency is N. For fundamental frequency is N. For first mode of vibration the frequency is 3 times of fundamental frequency. Then next mode of vibration is as N2. For this vibration the frequency is 5 times of fundamental frequency. So that is from this equation what you can say that so there is a production of frequencies N, thrice N, 5N, and next will be 7N. So in this way this is known as your odd harmonics. Odd harmonics. So you can conclude that when pipe is open at one end and close at another end, then which harmonics are present? Only odd harmonics are present. That means frequencies will be generated such that they will be odd integer multiple of fundamental frequency. First frequency will be N, second will be thrice N, third will be 5N, fourth will be 7N. So these frequencies are produced which are odd integral multiple of fundamental frequency. That's why you can say that odd harmonics are present when pipe is open at one end and close at another end. This is about your pipe mode of vibration when pipe is open at one end and close at another end. Okay, thank you.